drive, mister? Oh my, it was a long drive. This is beneath my standards. What the heck?
Oh my god.
The pool.
Wow!
Pool is bigger.
Wow! They already have a ball! Wow.
We buy one yesterday.
Yeah.
The previous one was crazy, but this is...
It's so pretty here! It's like a little tour now. The gym room. Okay, something here. Damn. Damn. Oh my god. Wow. 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 Oh my god, I will be here. Damn. So we have arrived at Essaouira and we have stayed at home for a little bit more, and until dinner we went out and it was surprisingly so cold. Like, it was so cold that I didn't even vlog anything at all. Then we arrived at Hungry Nomad and we ate dinner. Can I try?
Yeah, I will give you.
It's like a sweet treat.
Yeah,
This is octopus. And at this point we were practically freezing. It was so cold. Everyone was snuggling with their blankets. We're doing surfing today. There's no waves, but it's perfect for beginners. Wetsuit. Oh, sorry. Hi. After surfing, we went on the rooftop and it was overlooking the Medina and right next to the ocean. Super nice. We're trying to find a table. Cute.
Cheers.
Cheers. I ordered this tomato harissa cocktail and it was spicy, and I let him try and he did not like it.
Genius.
Ah, yum. Thank you. You got the octopus this time. That looks so good. You want some?
That's so good.
Yeah. You want?
Bye.
Try it. You have to take all the layers.
Yeah, all the layers. Right. Balling, the food. Ai. Okay. Maar take nog eens. There's no twist.
After lunch, we went into the town and we kept stumbling on so many cats. It's actually crazy. I think we're in like the cat town of Morocco. I wish we can just adopt all of them. They're so cute. Thick. Street food. Is it good? Is it yum?
Yum yum. You want?
Yum. So many cats. They're just sitting.
Hi.
Nectarine, okay.
Say hi.
We went to the port of Essaouira, and this is where the famous blue boats were, and it was right by the seafood market, and I was very excited to try it.
Film you. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à l'intérieur? Excuse-moi. Surfing.
Sea urchins?
Il y a aussi ça dedans? Non, il n'y a pas ça. Can she have it? Can I smell?
I hope I don't get it.
The mule shrimp sardines.
I hope I don't get sick.
Oh, you have strong guts. I believe in your guts.
Quel crabe? So small.
C'est petit, hein, pour 5. You can have 2 for 5. Same price. Allez.
It's fresh.
From when? This morning?
Today.
Oh yeah, this is better.
Do you want a crab? No.
Also 5. Also 5. Total 5. Want some crab? No. I just give 10.
So
you're good?
Okay. Which one of which one hammam? Maybe the first one?
Just walking around, I can really see why the Game of Thrones was filmed here. It's so pretty.
It's so cool.
Look how pretty these are. Damn.
What a view.
Oh my god, that looks so good. Thank you.
Wow.
You searched 50 minutes.
It's this.
Yum yum yum. It's yum.
Yeah, it's very good.
Sparkler.
It's with another taste. Maar dan ben ik daar zo dadelijk gewoon geraakt in die 3-4 jaar.
So pretty here. We're quad biking.
Having difficulty.
Yeah, I saw you were like,
Yeah,
zoom,
I
like
was-
the ass was always slippery. You got stuck?
Me too. Babe, why are you not coming?
Like everyone is in the sun, I feel like it's like I can't,
Sick.
not sick, but I know that I'm too long in the sun. So what happened?
I've jumped and it just fell out.
Whisper something I could hear.
fogging up my lenses. It's really hot.
So guys, last evening. It went really fast.
I know.
So what do you think of Morocco? Was it your expectations?
Yeah.
Well, actually, I didn't know what to expect, and it's annoying, but at the same time, I appreciate it. I don't know how.
I really did like Essaouira and also Marrakesh, obviously, but Essaouira just has a very coastal, chill vibe, and I really do love it. And we did so much sports here. It's very bittersweet leaving, but we'll definitely come back to Morocco. It is a beautiful country and can't wait to be back.